Hi, Namaskar. I am KP Shashidhar, Chairman of 4GB Foundation, that is, For Good Badminton Foundation, a premier badminton academy in Palakkad. Into 4 years of existence, with 3 international wooden floating courts, we encourage both competitive and leisure badminton. Let me invite you all for a tour of the activities in our academy and in our courts, the arena.
Palakkad, the gateway to Kerala, with its enchanting and scenic surroundings, have a new centre of excellence for badminton in the arena. Arena, launched in 2016, has 3 wooden floating courts of international standard. 60 kids of age group 5 to 15 undergo rigorous training every day for earning a coveted place in the competitive world of badminton. Regular camps of 3 hours duration on all days except Mondays, summer camps in every April and May are attended by kids from in and around Palakkad for honing their skills in badminton. The arena is proud to have Ajit Vijay Tilak, the former Indian international, as its module director who spearheads the entire training schedule. M.K. Shyam, former Palakkad district champion for a consecutive 13 years and state player as the chief coach of arena, imparts lessons in fundamentals, techniques and court craft in making the trainees the future stars. Sanandan, Kerala Kalaripayattu champion, and Saji Shyam, the administrator cum fitness expert, takes care of the endurance, flexibility and agility needs of the trainees. Rigorous training schedules in the medical college synthetic tracks and swimming pools are part of the training regimen of the trainees. Commitment and devotion of the coaching team, hard work, punctuality and discipline of the trainees have made rich difference in terms of producing various champions in various categories of district and state level tournaments. Sri Chand Shyam, under 17 and under 19 district champion and the future promise in the state national circuit, leads the galaxy of winners from the arena. Amrita Kumar, under 13 district and state champion. Bharat Krishna, under 15 district level winner. Abu Fahman,
Hardik,
Fadia Fida,
Advait,
Lisa Fatima,
Neeta Kumar,
Govind Suresh, and a host of other kids have brought laurels to the 4GB Foundation and the arena. Not only play, but participation in competitive social events are also encouraged. Being the largest contingent in the Palakkad Marathon in the year 2019 and 2020, 4GBians announced their presence in the sporting map of Palakkad. Swachh Bharat campaign was taken up in its true spirit by the 4GBians. Cleaning of the roads from Kuttupada to the arena was undertaken. Each one's birthday is celebrated with lots of fun. See for yourself the joy in the faces of the kids. Towards social commitment, kids from the socially disadvantaged sections are imparted free of cost training by the 4GB Foundation. Please stand by for more activities of the arena.